My name is Leah and I am a full-time OnlyFans creator. I recently quit my job last year to become a full-time OnlyFans creator, and my goal is to earn over $1 million as an OnlyFans creator.
Each night and each day I'm kind of on a dreaming about you. Oh, yeah.
So subscribe and support my channel right now if you want to follow my success on my journey to $1 million. The last video I uploaded on YouTube was in February 2021. I had been on OnlyFans for a few months, and this was when my OnlyFans account first started to take off. I was around $25,000 in total earnings on OnlyFans, which was good. I had only been on the OnlyFans for about 3 to 4 months. I had about 3,000 followers on Instagram and maybe 40,000 followers on TikTok. Since then, I've had over 7 TikTok accounts get banned, with the highest account reaching 65K followers on TikTok. Today, it's August 2021, so it's been about 5, almost 6 months since my last video update on YouTube, and right now, my current stats are: I have more than 23,000 followers on Instagram. My current active TikTok has over 240,000 followers, which is a pretty big difference compared to 5 months ago, and I'm super excited about that. Now for my OnlyFans update, you might want to sit down for this. As of August 2021, I have made over $210,000 on OnlyFans, which is crazy because just 5 months ago, I was at $25,000 in total earnings. And 3 months before that, I was working at Dollar General making less than $1,500 per month. Now I'm averaging $20 to $30K per month consistently. You might think a lot has changed for me, but honestly, I still live in the same apartment I did when I was working a 9 to 5. I bought a vehicle, but not much has really changed in my life as of yet. I've just been traveling and having fun. But not everything has been fun and games. I recently started a second business in the last 90 days. I started an OnlyFans consulting agency with my partner, and our models are killing it just like we are. I've helped multiple OnlyFans creators go from complete scratch to over $30,000 per month. It's crazy because 6 months ago, I never thought I would own a business, and now I have 2 of them: my personal OnlyFans account and my OnlyFans consulting agency. We've generated over $40,000 in the past 4 months with my consulting agency. So in total, as of August 2021, I've made $250,000, which means I'm a quarter of the way to my goal of $1 million. So if you're interested in working with us, scroll down below and apply. We only accept a few OnlyFans models per month, but it can't hurt to apply. Who knows, you might get chosen.